In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a vertical video to a landscape video and add a blur in CapCut. Whether you prefer the web version or the mobile app, the process is the same and quick to follow. Start by opening CapCut. From the home screen, create a new project so you're working on a clean timeline. If you're prompted to choose a starting format, pick 9:16. That matches typical vertical footage and makes it easy to see your clip correctly before converting it. With your vertical clip ready in the timeline, we'll switch the canvas to widescreen. Next, look for the aspect ratio control. Depending on your device, this may appear in the toolbar near the preview area or in a settings panel. Open aspect ratio and select 16:9. This changes your project to a landscape canvas, which is perfect for YouTube or any widescreen display. You'll notice your vertical video now sits in the center with empty space on the sides. Avoid stretching the clip to fill the screen. Keeping the original scale preserves quality and prevents distortion. If you need to nudge the clip up or down slightly to keep the subject framed, do so sparingly to maintain a natural look. Now let's make those side areas look polished. Open the background controls. This panel lets you decide what fills the space around your video. Choose Blur. CapCut will use a blurred version of your footage behind the main clip, creating a professional, cohesive look that draws attention to your subject while removing harsh black bars. From here, choose a blur background style that complements your footage. If you see options for intensity or strength, adjust them until the edges feel soft but not distracting. A moderate blur usually works best. Strong enough to hide detail, gentle enough to keep the focus on the center. If your interface offers additional background settings like brightness, color, or zoom, subtle tweaks can help match the blur to your main footage so everything feels seamless. Give your timeline a quick preview. Watch for any important text or faces near the top or bottom of the frame, and make minor framing adjustments if needed. The goal is a clean 16:9 video with your vertical content centered and an attractive blur filling the sides. That's it. You've converted a vertical video to landscape and added a professional blur background in CapCut. This setup is ideal for sharing vertical content on widescreen platforms without cropping or distorting your footage.